All right, Simply Sports Cards. We have a few breaks here tonight. Some football. Not a bad little football night. Just a couple random boxes sitting here waiting for fill some breaks, and we did some football. Nice hit here. Odell Beckham. This is Rainbow Copper. These are number to 15. Marquise Lee. Andre Williams patch. And here's a nice Paul Richardson, 10 of 10. It's a nice color on these patches here. Good product here, very nice. This is jersey number, 10 of 10, and a very nice hit. Like I said, just great product. We got cases of this left to break. People want to join us. Another random box here. We got some certified little Bradley Roby action. Nice Jarvis Landry, beautiful patch there. Dre Archer, Mike Evans, and nice hit of the night. There's a 101 Black Immortals, Dave Casper with the Raiders. 1 of 1, sweet hit. So that's what we had out of that. And then another random box we had. Let's see. Finest. Jeremy Hill. Let's see. Come on. Safarian Jenkins. Earl Thomas to 50. Those are kind of the highlights. We're wearing Rogers refractor. Dalton Derek Carr refractor. Atomic refractor rookie. Julio Jones. Luke Kuechly. And then did a nice little box of 2012 archives. Wayne Chrebet auto. And the Fridge 2013 archives. Fridge auto redemption. And a couple rookies, a couple parallels. So not a bad night. Had a little fun with the guys on here. And we'll have more. Like I said, Wednesday evenings we're on. Right now we're on Friday evenings and we're breaking. Just come out and join the fun, guys. Thanks, Simply Sports Cards. See ya.